Searching for the right equipment to haul your freight is one of your priorities each day. DAT Power was designed with this in mind and is a powerful tool to hone in on just what you are looking for. With a wide array of equipment types and search features, DAT Power will be the only freight match tool you'll need. By far, the easiest way to search for a truck is to post your load and create a search from the posting at the same time. This way, you only have to enter the freight information once. To create a search, when you create a posting, click the bell icon to turn it orange. When you submit your post, a truck search will be created with audible alarm enabled. To start a new search from trucks when you do not have a load to post, click on the Search Trucks button at the top left of the page. When you have no active searches, the Search Trucks form will automatically open. Otherwise, you can click on the green New Truck Search to open a form where you can specify what type of equipment would suit your needs. The first field is the Any-Only toggle. Toggling between these options allows you to search for any kind of equipment within a class or classes, such as any kind of van or only specific equipment types. For example, only a van Conestoga. The Any option will return a broader array of results, whereas the Only option will give you more specific results. Next, you can enter in the required equipment you need to haul your load. Click the field under Truck and start typing in the name of the equipment type, and it will start to narrow the list down for you. Then you will need to enter in your origin and destination. In each of these fields, you are able to enter a specific city or an area of states or zones. When entering multiple states or zones, do so without commas in between. DAT Power will recognize the states and zones automatically. For example, if you're looking for trucks in Oregon, Washington, and Idaho, you would enter in ORWA ID. For the West Coast, you would enter Z9. For a map of zones recognized by DAT Power, look in the toolbox. In the Avail field, you can enter a date or dates you need a truck to pick up your load. It will automatically begin with the current date for you. To change the date, click in the box and a calendar will pop up with the current month. You can type in the month and day or click on the date you are looking for. You can hold the Shift button on your keyboard to select a range of dates. If you've searched in this lane for this equipment previously, at this point DAT Power will recall the settings you last used. Otherwise, it will choose some defaults, such as 150 miles driving distance around any city you entered. If the defaults look okay, go ahead and click the blue search button. You can refine these settings easily later. Next, you'll see the DHO and the DHD fields. The first field is the distance from your origin city, deadhead origin, while the second field is for the distance from your destination, deadhead destination. These are only used when a city is specified for an origin and destination. They serve to define an area around a specified city that the results must fall within. If the origin or destination is a state, states, or zones, the relevant miles field will be disabled. To enter a deadhead, just click in the field and type in the number of miles up to 450 miles. The FP field indicates whether the load requires full space or just partial space available on the truck. If you're willing to haul either a full load or a partial full truck, then you would select both. The length is the minimum length of the trailer that is needed for your load and the weight of the load. Weights in DAT Power are in pounds, not in thousands of pounds. If you enter a value of less than 1,000, you will be asked if you meant to use thousands of pounds. You can use the letter K as a shortcut for thousands when you do not have a precise weight. The search back sets how far back into the load board history your search will look. A setting of 2 hours will show loads in your lane that were posted or refreshed within the past 2 hours. Once you click on the blue search button, your matches to this search will show in the matches pane below.